You know, sometimes I just want to kick stress in the ass because it just wrecks people's lives, yeah? And this is something why I want to do this video, because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can already do in order to calm your nervous system in a stressful situation, yeah? And stress comes, you know, in all sorts of forms, and we see it symptomatically in the body. We see it through anxiety and panic attacks, and we see it through sleepless nights and restlessness and shortness of breath. And, you know, people are taking pills just in order just to calm down. We've gotten to a point where we have to take a pill to calm down. It's unbelievable. So how do we get to that place, that disconnect in our bodies, where we can't somehow self-regulate? And it's not something that just happened overnight or fell out of the sky, yeah? It's something that your body has been experiencing over time. And you can probably even track back early on in your life where you felt some kind of overwhelm or pressure or someone overstepping your boundaries, or a big one is shame. Yeah, shame really gets held in the body in a particular way, and it can also create all sorts of negative associations towards ourselves, and it holds us back. It's very crippling. So, working with the body, working through the body, learning how to self-regulate so that you can be in challenging situations and not lose your ground, not lose your breath, not lose your sense of relaxation, not lose your ability to be present here, now. So I want to share with you just 3 things and how we can work with that right now. Yeah? One of them I'm doing right now, which is being in nature. Because nature has an amazing ability to unplug us from the overwhelm and take us into a completely different environment where we have space, outer space. And already you can start to feel the benefits of being in nature. And probably you watching have experienced that when we go to nature, even if it's in a park, yeah, or even if it's next to a tree. It's very healing. And helps us to self-regulate. Nature helps us to self-regulate. And then 2 is breathing and really allowing that breath to come in. Big breath, yeah? And if you can breathe 5, 6, 7, seconds in, then please breathe 5, 6, 7 out. So you're matching it really in. So you're creating that inner space as well as the outer space, yeah? Helps you to ground yourself breathing. It helps you to regulate your autonomic nervous system. And it helps you to be present. And finally, number 3 is to go from doing mode to listening mode. And to listening to your body. And if you listen to the intelligence of your body, you'll be amazed at its wisdom. It will let you know what it needs. And I love working through the body. I'm passionate about working through the body because when I connected these 2 parts, I started to find regulation, yeah? And that was really important to my own coming into balance.